Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the PSN account that owns the locked game. This is the key credential. Once signed in, go to Settings Right Arrow Users and Accounts Right Arrow Other and enable console sharing and offline play to set this Ps5 as the primary machine. Make sure system software is fully updated, then do a full power cycle. Shut down, unplug for 30 seconds, plug in, and restart. Doing these steps first forces license rechecks and often clears the locked state. Once the console is primary, you should deactivate any other consoles still listed on that account. That prevents license conflicts. Next, uninstall then reinstall the affected game. This forces a fresh license pull from Sony. If problems persist, sign out of PSN, sign back in, and retry. If files seem corrupted or the UI is slow, boot into safe mode and choose Rebuild Database. This scans and reindexes content without deleting saves. These actions resolve most mid-process. To finish, verify the account's subscription and payment status. Unpaid charges can freeze licenses. Once done, reset the account password, then from the web or another device force sign out everywhere so consoles re-authenticate. Make sure the game runs and trophies sync. If it still shows locked, backup saves to cloud or USB, then initialize the Ps5 as a last resort. This clears persistent account state problems. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, contact PlayStation support with account info and transaction timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.